Does an LLC corporation get 1099? Yes, but it depends on how the LLC is taxed. If your LLC is taxed as a sole proprietorship or partnership, clients are generally required to issue you a Form 1099 NEC if they paid you $600 or more during the year. This applies to most service-based businesses. If your LLC has elected to be taxed as an S corporation or C corporation, then in most cases, clients do not issue you a 1099. The IRS exempts corporations from receiving 1099s, with some exceptions like payments for legal or medical services. It's important to clarify your LLC's tax status with clients so they know whether to issue a 1099. Regardless of whether you receive one, you are still responsible for reporting all income earned by your LLC on your tax return. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and choose the right tax classification so you know exactly how 1099 rules apply. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.